Version 5.0 of COVID Unlock has been released and the world is opening up step by step. But the apprehension still looms large. Life seems to have bounced back to normal, but the truth is that we're far away from the good old days and the good old ways. In 2020, we must have washed our hands more times than we might have washed in our entire lives. Sanitizer has become the new Ganga Jal. But wait. Every cloud has a silver lining. This could be the best time ever to get braces and still laugh out loud. And this isn't one of the jokes cracked by our today's guest. I say it on a very serious note. Hello and welcome to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show on Times Network. I am your host, Mandira Bedi. Our today's guest is very enchanting, and trust me, you too will be blown away by the same feeling about her by the end of the episode. She's a trained dancer, actor, pianist, and she celebrated her 100th birthday this year as she believes that she was born in 1920, which happens to be her first film. Please welcome the humorous, variedly talented, pretty and brave Ada Sharma.
Wow, I love that. I'm going to steal that and...
But you deserve that kind of introduction.
Enchanting.
You really are all of that and more.
Thank you, Mandira.
Lovely to have you on the show.
Thank you for having
me. Now,
me.
first up, I have to ask you, because, you know, this entire year has just gone by for a lot of people. How has this year gone by for you? Has it flown by? How has the pandemic affected you? How did you go through these last couple of months?
Firstly, yeah, it is my 100th year in the film industry. My 100th birthday, but...
I tell you, you're so cool. You have no problem revealing your age.
I know. Otherwise I'd have to lie and be like, I've been here, but I'm still 12. But I can say I'm 100. But I think 1920 was when I debuted, and that was scary. And now this 2020 seems to be kind of scarier.
How was it for you? I mean, how did you kind of go through these last couple of months?
So I'm generally a pretty positive person. Not that I don't have my lows, I do, but I'm generally a positive person. I kind of will adapt to the situation. So the first 3 months were just my mom and me. Our house help is a temporary, I mean, she works, she doesn't stay with us.
Right.
So it was just us, and we were cooking and
cleaning and everything.
So we tried to make that entertaining and, you know, work out while doing all of that.
I have to say, your work has, you know, entertained the audiences
Thank you.
Even in this pandemic, because Commando 3 was released online during this time.
Yeah, it was.
I have to say, I saw the film when it released, and you did such a marvelous job.
Thank you.
I mean, the action and your accent and all of it. I mean, you did a bang up job, like a really bang up
Thank you.
job.
Coming from a badass girl, that feels
You're really good.
really good. Thank you.
What was the experience of working with someone like Vidyut, and what was the experience of Commando like?
Being a girl in an action film in India usually is you're either the damsel in distress or you're the love interest of the man who is doing the action.
Either way, or some kind of damsel.
A little bit, yeah, like that. But I thought this character was, Bhavna Reddy is really cool. She's sarcastic. She has a sense of humor, which is so rare.
Yes, very.
You're not, you know, if you're a girl, also if you're a girl who's externally looking good, you're not really allowed to have a sense of humor most of the time. It's odd more, you know, for people to accept it. But I thought it was written really well. I got to do the jokes. I got to beat up all the big guys. And I thought it was really nice that they didn't discriminate me from beating up we got to beat the same set of guys up. I thought that was nice.
Yeah.
And I thought humor and action and the action.
Did you enjoy the action?
I love doing the action.
It's hard for you.
No, I thought it was like dance. It was almost like choreography, because even dance has the same kind of choreography, right? You learn your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and if you miss, you might get hurt though. That's the only difference. But it was lots of fun.
Okay, now tell us about your short film, Soul Saathi. You're doing a double role in that.
Yes.
Yeah, tell us about that.
So Soul Saathi is just released, and when I was offered it, I thought it was a very cool concept, because usually a double role has, like a judwa, like a twin.
Yes.
So here, one is my body and one is my soul, and no one can see her. they can't see you. So.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh,
Welcome
you
to the
can.
show.
Oh, yeah. So, well, only some people can see her.
Yeah, I
so
can see
when
her.
we go to meet boys to get married to,
Right.
we're sitting across the table from a guy.
Who
And,
makes the decision?
well, she does.
Obviously.
Because I'm the body. So the body is like this. And we meet these really awful guys, most of them. All of them. One of them just wants to stare at her
Upper
body.
torso.
Upper torso. Yeah, I don't know. And there's another guy who says, we'll move to US after you get married. And then the body says, but I have my startup here in India. And he says, that's okay, you can leave it and join. So the body is still like this on the outside, but the soul is,
Yeah.
she does that.
Yeah. I
It's
just have
kind
a
of fun.
question. Is the band-aid around the middle finger because you've used it so much in the film?
No, I have a thing with fingers. I don't. I keep hurting all my fingers. In Commando, I broke this one, and then I refused to get it healed. But I healed it myself. It bends now. So this, I was doing something with the silambam stick, and I was trying something faster. And
It's not a part of the role, like
No,
used
no,
it too
well-
much.
I wish no.
But that is a very interesting. So how long is this film?
It's like a 20-minute, 17-minute film.
Very nice.
so.
You're also doing man-to-man? Is it
Yes,
man-to-man or
yes.
man?
No, like man-to-man.
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 With the same director. Is this
I
also a
am.
short film or
No,
is it
no,
a
no.
feature-length film?
Man to Man is a full feature film, and it's a love story. Soul Saathi is a very fairy tale. If you see it, it looks like a like a Disney princess fairy tale story. But
Right.
Man to Man is more real. It's a love story. It's a sweet rom-com. This boy falls in love with a girl.
Right.
He gets married to her. After they get married, he finds out that she's a man.
Oh, man. These are some interesting roles that you're playing, I have to say.
Yeah, so I was really kicked about this, and now after we've shot the whole film, it's ready.
My next question is about question mark.
Oh yes.
Yes. Tell us about question mark.
So question mark,
Are you attracted to horror stories? What's the horror story?
Question Mark is not actually a horror film.
Okay.
It's very scary and it'll like mess with your mind up like that, like a psychological.
Psychological thriller.
Yeah, sort
That's
of.
what they call it?
I think so. Yeah, we can actually put this in the thriller.
So that's also ready and
We shot that in the pandemic right now.
Okay.
It's pretty much just me in the film. There's not too many people, so we could shoot. We shot in a jungle for a month, start to finish.
so over there,
it's
I'm
ready.
sure you weren't worrying about wearing a mask. You were worrying about wild creatures coming and biting you.
I'm very comfortable, I realized, in an environment where there are animals, even wild. People make me a little
Yes.
anxious,
Yeah.
but
it's people that are the unpredictable ones.
Henna, like if you put me into a party, into a place which has like people I don't know, I'm not in a very good
Happy
space.
space.
Yeah, and this wildlife, I was like, yeah, they won't do anything. I
Oh, you
didn't
know
have
what
that
their
fear.
response is supposed to be? It's predictable or whatever.
Also, also we were in their home, no?
Yeah.
So I felt like we were the
Maaf karo, maaf
wild
karo,
ones.
maaf
Yeah, I was
karo.
like, I'm sorry, I'm stepping on your leaves. But I think we didn't mess around too much with the
But
place.
you enjoyed the entire
I
shoot.
really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it.
Right, some questions answered, many secrets still to be uncovered. We'll get to know about her idea of perfect date in our next segment, only on Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show on the Times Network. We'll be right back. Your favorite place for a first date is the movie theatre. How do you get to know a person? When you go to the movie theatre, you're like
the point. You shouldn't get to know too much about a person, because once people get to know too much about the other person, that's when trouble brews.
Wow. Welcome back, everyone, to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show. Here we are with the Do the New Every Time girl, Ada Sharma. Ada, now you've gone on record saying that your favorite place for a first date is the movie theatre. How do you get to know a person? When you go to the movie theatre, you're like
the point. You shouldn't get to know too much about a person, because once people get to know too much about the other person, that's when trouble brews.
Wow.
I'm more of those let's live in denial and then enjoy each other's company kind of
Like, do
person.
you ever go on a second date with anybody? I mean, does that happen?
Yeah, if you're watching a movie, there's not so much opportunity for you to
Get to know each other. So then
so you'll
the second
go
date
for the
happens.
and you
third
can watch
date
more
happens.
movies.
So what happens if this person who's gone on a second and third movie with you wants to know you better? Uske baad kya?
No, I mean I'd already be friends with that person,
Oh, okay.
and then The benefits come in later.
Oh, the benefits come later. Wow.
Yeah.
So then by the time you reach the movie theatre...
No, not in movie theaters. Maybe a little after that, yeah. But around the time frame of the, yeah.
So your most romantic date was when you watched 6 movies back to back?
Yeah, I think that was really nice.
Who was that with?
A very fine gentleman.
Young gentleman who
Who's
totally
not
knows
imaginary.
really well.
Who's not imaginary.
Wow.
Who's not imaginary for a change.
I just want to ask you, are you still dating this person? Because ye lambe race ka ghoda hai. In every sense.
No, but we might watch movies sometimes. Just the movies. Just the movies. Not the benefits.
No, you know why I'm asking this? Is there someone in your life that you can call your Jeevan Sathi?
No, right now.
Not at the moment?
Not that I would think of. Maybe I could. I don't know if he would want to call me his Jeevan Sathi back. So that's not counted.
No.
That's counted.
That's
Maybe
counted.
then, yeah, I might have somebody who I have in mind, but he doesn't know. So shh.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna put you on the spot and ask you names or any question like that. What are the qualities a person should have to qualify as your Jeevan Sathi?
If he can do magic and martial arts. Those are things that have attracted me to people.
Okay, you know what? That takes the spectrum from here to like here. Magic and martial arts.
No, I mean, those are qualities that I get attracted to. I'm not saying he has to do
What's
magic.
magic? You know, people say, I love guys with a sense of humor.
No,
I don't know.
I have the sense of humor. He can laugh at my jokes.
Okay, so he has to laugh at your jokes. He's got to do magic.
Not got to do. If I'm saying those are things
That'd
that
be a bonus.
Yeah.
What are the basics? What are the basic qualities?
He has to like animals, na? He can't be like, get.
Yeah.
He can't do like that.
He's got to like animals to watch
large
lots of
stamina
movies.
for watching movies.
Yes.
I'm also attracted to people who are nice, genuinely nice to somebody else for absolutely no reason, where
Yes.
there's no agenda there. It's a very attractive quality.
It is.
I also like people who talk kindly when there's not anything that they want to gain from the other person. They're generally nice.
Generally a good human being.
It's
or,
a very attractive,
It is a very attractive
quality. Maybe if he's nice while driving, he doesn't get flustered with traffic.
Someone who's not like a
Road rage
potential.
yeah, I can't handle that.
So this guy you had in mind
He had none of these qualities. No. He watched the movies.
He watched
I
the
have
movies
very
only.
low.
So out of all those boxes that you want ticked,
Watch movies
this person
happen,
who you
yeah.
kind of like and you think is
He
in that
liked
Jeevan
animals
Sathi's zone possibly, he ticks off one box
He
out of
liked
6.
animals also.
Or 2.
Yeah.
He's not a kind person?
No.
Oh no! Then I'm telling you, he's voted out.
I know, kind of.
He's voted out.
Yeah,
Yes.
but the heart wants what the heart wants.
Okay then.
So, but the heart doesn't want anymore.
Excellent. That's the best. Is there anyone like in your life, anyone older, or one of your friends who plays the role of a matchmaker?
Vidyut actually once tried to fix me up with somebody who he knew I like. I told him, yeah, I kind of like he like that. So he tried to fix me up with someone. But
How did that turn out?
no, it didn't turn only because I didn't do anything about it then. So I don't really act on it.
So your follow-up is terrible, basically.
Little bit.
We'll work on that.
Need to.
Next time we speak, we'll take it to the next level.
Yeah.
Would you ever date an actor?
I don't know if I'd want to. I haven't in the past.
But there's no door
no
closed. The
no,
door is, there's
yes.
no hard no on that
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
right? And what is the one thing that completely puts you off about a person?
If I see someone talking to someone like making them feel beneath their
Belittling people.
Oh,
Yeah, that's-
it's such a putting off quality.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay. That's nice to know. I've gotten to know you, your ideas about love and people that you could potentially love.
Yeah, you
A
have
lot
anyone
better
in
this.
mind?
No, I'm thinking.
Okay.
I've parked it at the back of
you
my
have?
mind like
Okay.
that. Yeah. Now we're going to change the mood and play a little bit of a game.
Okay.
This is going to be child's play for you. You have to show off your British accent. We
Oh
like your
my
British.
God,
yes,
darling.
we really like your British
Oh my
accent. We
God.
do. Okay, so the name of the game is Heads Up. So would you want to start with me trying to make you guess or the other way around?
You start, I think.
Okay,
first,
so I'm
right?
going to pick this up. I don't know what's on this side.
There are 2 words on this. The first word is something you'd wear or atop your head on a vacation.
A hat.
But slightly. What would a boy wear?
A cap.
Yes, darling.
Oh, lovely.
The
Thank you.
bracket word would be in the non-English language. maybe
Topi.
Hindi.
Topi.
No, it's maybe a bottle and the top of that bottle. What would you call
Cap.
it? But in Hindi, darling.
Topi. I only know topi.
It's something with a D, if I might add.
Actually, you're not allowed to say that.
Oh, no, blasphemy. It's something that you use to shot
A what?
if there's a bottle of turmeric, darling.
Yes.
And there's the thing atop the bottle, and I have screwed that.
lid?
Yes, but what's it called in Hindi?
I have absolutely.
You do, darling. I'm sure you call silly people that in Hindi as well. Like you are such.
I love that word, ducker.
Oh, yes, darling.
Oh, fantastic! Thank you very much. Okay, now your go. You just pick it up.
All right.
Don't look what's on the. Don't look at
No,
what's. Okay.
darling, I never cheat.
All righty then. Here goes. Well, this is what happens when someone who watches 6 movies with you tells you how beautiful you are. What happens to your face?
I blush, maybe.
That's
darling.
right,
Oh
darling.
my God.
You did very well.
How lovely, darling. Well, where should I?
you put that down. All right, here goes. Your go.
What would I do with my eyes if the bit of what would I do every alternate second with my eyes?
Blink.
Yes, darling.
Oh, fantastic. You're getting very good at this.
Excellent, darling. I have a lovely partner.
This is something that you clean your teeth with. And it's a little piece of string which you rub in your...
Darling, for oral hygiene, dental floss.
That is the correct answer.
Perfect smile. Ah, darling.
This is
Wonderful.
fun. I love it. All right, here we go.
Oh my God. All right, darling, the atmosphere is lined up with several gases.
Okay.
One of them is what we inhale with.
Oxygen.
And I exhale with.
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, there's another gas that's a pungent odor, darling.
Sulfur.
No, more common.
Hydrogen.
No. Okay, I'm going to slice the word up a little. And what's the second part of the day? What's the last part of the day? I'm sorry.
Night.
The days, yes.
Nitrogen.
Yes, darling.
Well done. All right, this is a form of dance, a form of Indian dance. You are a dancer. There's Bharatnatyam and then there's...
Kathak.
That's correct.
Oh, okay. Oh.
All right, we're on the last one. We're doing very
good.
well.
We're
All
doing
right.
Very well.
Here we go.
You might have watched it as well. It's about these young girls who,
I don't know.
something girls. They might be spreading
I know.
misinformation.
I know
that's
what you're
it's
talking
called.
about. In fact, I watched it. I'm a young girl at heart.
I watched it as well.
Gossip.
Yes, darling. All right, and the last one to go.
The last
Okay.
one. Now this, my lovely Ada,
Yes, darling.
is the top of a pen.
The nib.
Yes!
Oh my God, darling.
How good we are at this.
It's like we've written these answers ourselves. I'm very pleased with this.
What we're going to do is, in the next segment, Ada shall spill some beans on her true love, Radha Sharma and Vinod Sharma. So stay with us. Right now, this studio, all of us over here in the studio, we want to hear birds. Do you hear some birds? Ah! Oh my God, I feel so close to nature. They say that a good sense of humor comes with a lot of intelligence, and our guest today is fully loaded with it. Welcome back, everyone, to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love Laugh Live show with the very witty, always ready to rock, Ada Sharma.
Now pressure.
Now pressure. Okay, so let's rewind a little bit to your past. As a child, what kind of a kid were you? Were you like one of those who used to climb trees and scrape knees?
Yeah, I would climb trees, scrape knees, but I also like those ugly flouncy dresses.
Okay.
That also. And I was studious as in I used to study an hour every day. So the day before the exam, I used to go to Joggers Park, I remember, and play because
You were one of those consistent ones.
Overachiever.
सब कुछ मैंने
Yeah.
पहले से study किया, exam से पहले.
Yeah, the day before the exam, my mum used to take me to a movie, or Joggers Park was a
Wow,
good,
that is incredible.
allowed to be.
Definitely. Okay. So what did you love doing as a child? I mean, how would you refresh during the vacations? How would you sort of unwind after coming home from school? What was your happy place?
Kid
as
then,
a child?
Yeah, I think my mom used to take me for walks on Pali Hill, and we used to meet all the animals there. So whoever we met, from cows to dogs to crows.
You have a real
so,
affinity towards animals.
Yeah, it's a
don't you?
genuine thing that not so much to humanity. No, I'm nice to people also sometimes, but to animals, like, there's a genuine thing, and I feel like it's how you're brought up from when you're a child. And I've seen my mom being nice like that. Like, if she sees an injured crow, she goes, like, with her bare hands, she'll pick the crow up. So I don't have that fright for animals, and love just flows.
Do you think things have changed as an adult? Of course, the love that you have for animals is intact, but how do you unwind? How do you refresh after a day of work? How do you sort of
It's actually
relax?
not changed at all. It's exactly the same.
Really? You go walk,
Exactly
go
the
for
same.
walks and
We
look at animals?
Yeah, we actually
Really?
did that through the lockdown, because we went and fed the stray animals. We carried the huge backpack and filled it with food. It was exactly like how I was when I was 5 and 6. I think nothing's changed. We came back and ate avial.
Well, I have to say that's a very unusual answer, because whoever we've asked a question like this to, they say, oh, yoga, meditation,
wow,
centering oneself. But this is very unusual. You are a very sort of unique kind of person, and this answer is also quite unique. To refresh and unwind, you go and feed the animals.
That is, I mean, I do yoga and meditation, but honestly for me, refreshing is intense work. I'm very refreshed by it. After a whole day of shoot, I'm never tired. I'm like, a whole day of shoot happened. I'm probably exhausted if...
You're not working.
I'm not, and
Where do you get your
sometimes,
energy from?
Like photosynthesis of the plant. I think we produce it ourselves. No.
It's like not without coffee, for sure. You're not into any beverages. I offered you one in the break. And
I
you didn't
drink
want
a lot of water. I eat a lot of food.
Okay.
Rice and all I love. Carbohydrates give us I eat a
Of
lot
course.
of carbohydrates.
So she gets her energy from carbs.
Yes.
And she can look
Rice.
like this.
Rice.
So all those of
Love.
you who are giving up carbs, I mean, bad idea. Now it's time to raise the curtains from the two most important creatures in your life. Radha Sharma and Binod Sharma. Reveal to us what the meaning of this is.
So I got this pillow. It's actually like a stuffed pillow.
Okay.
And I called her Radha randomly. And I made an Instagram account for her, which we got verified because she's Radha Sharma's cat pillow. And now Radha Sharma gets brands. Like, we've signed a lot of brand endorsements with her. She gets papped at the airport as well. And yeah, she's a cat pillow. So if
You
the
know,
pillow
she's
is
here, otherwise you could have brought Radha.
I would have, but Radha's resting. Radha doesn't.
Binod?
Binod was this other pillow that I got, and I thought, I've been really busy, so I've not been able to promote him enough. But he's also here because of his talent.
Okay.
I'm sure he'll go a long way and be the next superstar in Bollywood.
I want to go back to a little bit of a flashback. How easy or difficult was it for you to get your first film?
I met really nice people. Like, my first movie audition, first movie I got only because of an audition. They didn't know me.
Okay.
I honestly didn't fit the look that they were looking at, because I didn't look like I was from the 1920s, but they did this whole look test because they liked my crazy audition that I did of the possessed scene. And I got that film. My first Telugu film also I got because of an audition, of a crying scene. Like, a lot of work that I've just got is people just trusting that I could pull it off.
So talent wins. Talent does, get to
I
see
would like to.
the arc lights, good talent. And
Yeah.
so, we've listened to your TED Talk. It was really funny and upbeat and
thank
humorous,
you.
very much like you. But, the thing is, right now, this studio, all of us over here in the studio, we want to hear birds. Can we hear some birds? Oh my God, I feel so close to nature. You are really connected with nature, aren't you?
Yeah, I have a koyal who chats back, or I would like to believe talks back to me. So when I do, the koyal does, and then I do, and this happens. I don't know if I'm imagining this, but I would like to believe that we have
No,
conversation.
you aren't imagining. You aren't imagining. Any other birds? How about a cow? Thank you. वो तो होना ही है हमारे बॉम्बे में.
Yeah, they're the most intelligent birds
they?
of all. They are. They are very, very intelligent.
But they're not very pretty. That's one.
Really, I have a
bird.
crow
I'm not
called.
Oh, you
Really?
do?
I mean,
You have a
I
crow?
don't keep them in cages, but he comes visits called Russell Crowe. And his family and his wife only eats like fruit on one day, and one of them just comes to just watch the cooking and just talk, not eat. So they're very picky and they're like humans. Actually.
Can you ask Russell next time he comes that why his kith and kin like to fly so low and intimidate people sometimes who are just quietly walking on the sea face?
Oh really? I thought
Oh
it's
my gosh,
those,
I've had that
kites.
so often. No, crows.
Really?
So you're walking on sea. I walk on like Carter Road or Bandstand, and these low flying crows who like, I don't have any food in my hand. Why are you trying to intimidate me, bhai? मैंने क्या किया आपको?
I think that's with all crows,
Yeah?
Very, yeah. He comes and sees, well, what have you
So
made?
just tell Russell, I'll give you my address.
I
Tell
will.
Russell
I
to
will
tell
have a word with
his kith and kin to stay away from my bungalow. I'm not a
I
fan of
will.
them.
Since I'm the spokesperson of crows.
Apparently you are now.
Yeah.
Not just of crows, you're also the spokesperson for guys.
Yeah. Like a kind of burp, yeah.
Okay, now what's left is dogs. I can have a conversation with you as a dog. Go
Oh,
for
you
it.
can. What kind of?
You want a big dog, small dog, yappy dog, flappy dog? Tell me.
Can I be those annoying dogs?
Yes.
So first.
Okay. We can continue the rest
We
of the show
can.
like this.
We should make in code and they should subtitle.
Oh, मर गए. अब conversation बंद.
The dog who turned into a cat. Yeah.
Yes. How about a big dog?
No, I like the smaller. I think I do the smaller.
Smaller ones are
Those
better.
Like the really annoying,
Yappy.
snappy. Yeah.
Yeah, yappy kinds. Okay. Moving on from dogs to say mosquitoes, because
Oh my
I understand that you've done one of those videos. What is in the purse of Ada Sharma? What is in the bag of Ada Sharma? And other actresses are all about, oh, I must have this sunscreen and I must have this lip balm. I just can't do without my kajal. Oh my God! And you are about mosquito repellent.
I have to have a
And
mosquito repellent.
Socks.
Socks also I have, and I put sanitary pads also. Nobody showed that. I watched a few what's in the bag videos, and I was like, I have mahine ke un dino ke liye. Shouldn't you have in
Of
your bag?
course you
I have.
should.
For me and for everybody else. If
Absolutely.
Suppose someone
People
in my
don't talk
team,
about it. How silly.
Yeah, somebody will have at some point, so they know Ada's bag. And if you see my bag, is that huge bag. It's the one he has on his bag. It's that backpack now. Okay, so I have
you go
everything.
everywhere with a backpack.
I go everywhere.
Okay,
with a
what
bag.
else? I want to know. So
Khakras.
socks. Kakras also.
There's some food item for sure.
Kakras, socks, mosquito repellent. Of course, now sanitizer.
Sanitizers there. Put that whole alcohol spray bottle on.
Oh, big sized one.
Yeah.
What else?
Dental floss.
Hygiene is big. You're big on hygiene.
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you have food to feed the dogs,
Yeah.
crows?
Yeah.
That is also there. Food to feed you. That is also
That is
there.
also there. Food is mostly
So, I mean,
usually
at
there.
any given point of time, you can take a trip somewhere with that backpack of yours.
And I have like
Do you have a fresh
1
change
liter
of clothes
bottle.
in there?
Today there isn't, but I sometimes do. My friend was going through my bag that day and she was like, where are you going?
So you're not one with a small bag. You definitely.
I don't have those.
Me neither.
I'm a little envious of the...
People who can do that. Tuck, tuck, tuck,
What
tuck,
will
tuck,
fit?
tuck.
My phone is also so big. That will not fit.
Yeah.
Phone
No, but
forget
I don't know
it.
how this is done. I don't even know how to hold a
It's
bag
so
like this.
posh. I sometimes like
The dark
it.
glasses and the bag.
I love it, yeah. I don't have dark glasses in my bag.
You don't?
I don't.
That's unusual for an actor because actors like to wear dark glasses to not get recognized, to get recognized.
Yeah, I feel that that's the thing, right? If I wear dark glasses and I walk around like this and say, oh my God, turn, look at me, darling. Oh
Yes.
my God, who's looking at me? You're going to look at me.
It's nice to know what's in your bag. Very interesting mix of things. Okay, it's time for some more excitement with our Oppo F17 Pro Flaunt It Your Way segment. This is a rapid fire round. I will ask you some questions and give you a couple of options. You need to tell us which answer best depicts the way you flaunt your style. Okay? So if you're ready, here we go. You are well known for your fashion statement, but if at a prestigious awards night you notice that another artist is wearing the same dress as you are, how would you react? Flaunt how the outfit looks sleekest on you, option A. B, quickly go back home, change and flaunt your new look. C, flaunt your cool by taking a selfie with
So this was my dream, and a lot of my close friends know this. I wanted to have an actress best friend to go on red carpets with. I don't have one, but to do this, I wanted to land up with the same outfit and then be like,
You're going to plan it like that. Yeah.
but we'll do bad acting and be like, oh my God, you're wearing the same thing. Oh no. And then we'll take perfectly posed, synchronized photos together.
So that means you basically
You'll do
take
it with me, yeah.
So that's option C, right?
Yeah, option C.
Yeah. Next one. You invited your friends for dinner. You cooked a special recipe, but it didn't turn out to be good. What will you do? Order food from outside. Now, I know you don't do that because you just told me offline. Anyway, that's option A. B, try and cook all over again and flaunt your culinary skills. Means I am good at it. And C, serve the same and flaunt it anyway.
No, I'd leave it up to them. I mean, I've called them to my house, so I'd be like, is it really? If it's really bad, then if they want to order, we'll order, I guess.
Yeah, as long as they get good food at the end.
Yeah.
Third question. If you're out with your family on a vacation to spend some quality time, but you have fans following you there, asking for a selfie, what would you do? Option A, wear your sports shoes and run, flaunting your fitness. B, hide inside your resort. C, flaunt your style and take a picture with your fan.
I'm not hiding inside for sure. I've done this before. I tell people, I'm like, now I can't tell people, give me your camera, but I will take and I'll be like, everyone come to this picture, fast, take this picture now. Everybody's got a picture now, please, let
me be.
Have fun.
Okay, so you will take the option C, right?
C and A, yeah, and then I'd run.
And then you run. A mixture of A and
C and A, huh?
All right, question 4. Your fans and social media followers are pleading you to reveal your fitness secret in your next video on social media. What will you do? A, flaunt your fitness and let it be a secret. Means keep it a secret. Option B, share your fitness secret. This is what I do, this is what I'm good at. Option C, you say you were born fit, so you sleep all day and do nothing.
Oh, no, I'm not those. I think you really have to work for it. I don't want to say it's like those who say that I do nothing, it just happens.
Just made like this.
No, that doesn't happen. I work very hard on the stuff I do, and I'd like to share the stuff I also do.
The point is sharing is easy. See, the other person has to do also what you're doing.
Exactly, yeah, you have to do it. If you can do it, you should be able to achieve levels of fitness, skill and all. It comes with practice. So
option B, you would share your secret.
For sure.
Okay. Fifth question. After a stressful day, what is the fastest way of charging yourself? A, you go for a swim. B, indulge in yoga or meditation. C, something else.
Something.
Feed the animals.
I don't know,
Go for a walk.
I think, you said, like, go for a walk or spend time with people I like, maybe.
Like animals.
Like people I like animals. You know me very well.
That really was a lot of fun, Ada. You truly know how to flaunt your style.
Thank you.
You guys can also learn some Adas from the lovely Ada and flaunt your style using the Oppo F17 Pro. That was it for this segment, and it's time for a break and to fast charge the Oppo F17 Pro. When we come back, we'll dig more into the different shades of a vibrant life and personality, so don't go anywhere. We've seen you making khayali pulao. What's the recipe?
So you take your rice, your kadhai, keep the pan on the stove.
Welcome back, folks, to the show you have admired immensely. Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show. We are back with Ada, who truly believes in being herself because that is the first step towards becoming better than what you are. Now, Ada, being yourself in this film world it can be really, fulfilling, but it's also difficult, right?
Yeah.
So, what was that possible turning point, or what was that time when you decided, you know what, I can't do this. I can't follow a certain path, behave a certain way, act a certain way, say a certain bunch of rehearsed lines. Was there a turning point for you where you just said, you know what, this doesn't work?
To be honest, it was a little gradual. Also, after I did 1920, and then I did Hasi To Phasi, and then I did South. So when I did South films there, my South film, like the first film I did, was hugely successful, and I think that kind of success of the sudden success gives you a kind of confidence also, and it kind of also tells you that, you know, now I can be me and people are accepting it.
Okay, now you've also had a dream of making a film in every language in the world. Is that right?
Yeah, I want to.
How close to that dream are you?
I thought when I started off as an actor, I thought that would be nice, no? To
Yeah.
do a film
Something in every language.
In every language.
How many languages have you
In
done?
India, so I did Hindi. We've done Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. I did one film in Kannada, and I've done a music video which got really popular in Punjabi.
Any other foreign language outside of
Foreign, I've not done anything yet.
India? Okay.
But
So first we'll head for the target of every Indian language and then we'll do
ideally I want to finish it in this Janam, because otherwise, like Om Shanti Om, like Shah Rukh Khan, I'll have to be reborn again, and then have to.
But maybe you can do Indian languages in this Janam and you can do foreign
No, I
languages.
want to
in this.
finish it all.
All in this.
I really want.
Chalo, great.
Don't want to do the actor thing again. Like,
Okay.
let's.
Now let's shift gears a little bit from languages to food. Now you don't cook very well. This pandemic, you've not sort of. It's not like because this pandemic has created fitness enthusiasts, artists,
Good.
chefs. So obviously not a chef.
No, but
in your-
I cook if I have to. I'm okay.
But you are a foodie and you love
yeah,
food.
I like to be fed. Like,
Also, we've seen you making khayali palau.
that was.
What's the recipe?
So you take your rice, your kadhai, keep the pan on the stove, light it up for a while. First the water. Okay, let it simmer for a while. Then you put the rice, your chopped vegetables.
Yes. Which ones?
Dice them really finely.
Okay.
Carrot and capsicum and beans and peas. I don't eat onion also.
Okay.
So this is a non-onion khayali pulao.
Okay, excellent.
Actually, we're supposed to put the veggies first, right? And saute it with
Doesn't
a little
matter,
oil.
it's okay. It's khayali palau.
Then you put the oil, and then you saute everything over it, and then
Just listen, make
jeera
enough for 3
dhania
people.
powder.
She's also there.
She's on a diet.
She's on a diet. She doesn't eat palau.
She doesn't eat pulao.
Okay.
It's just for you and me.
Okay, lovely.
Jeera dhania powder, and it's ready to serve. Can I give you some?
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me how it is.
Okay, let me mix a little bit of it.
Is it nice? Namak zyada nahi hai na?
I can't talk in my mouth.
Savoring it.
1 second. The fact that you sauteed the vegetables afterwards didn't make a difference. It's
It
still
did?
yummy. Yeah.
Actually, good. The vegetables will be fresher. They won't
yeah,
get like
there's a little crunch.
Marial.
It's nice to
Haan,
have a crunch.
haan.
Delicious.
Oh, great. So I am a very good chef then.
Excellent, I know. Listen, the entire unit needs to be fed this. Though.
Yeah, but this
After
won't be
the-
enough. I think after that I'll
Make some more.
make some more.
You can make some more. But whatever little is there, this one is the bomb.
Pav bhaji khaoge aap log?
Khayali pav bhaji.
Of course.
Of course.
Everything is khayali.
So I'm just going to put this down for a bit, and what we're going to do is this segment is just for you now because you're such a great chef. It's called the foodie game because you are a foodie.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to narrate to you a few fancy descriptions of popular Indian dishes. You got to crack the name of those dishes. That's all. Okay.
Oh my.
It's very easy. Okay. Are you ready? Here's your first one.
Yes. Okay.
A popular Indian dish prepared with aromatic grains of basmati rice, flavored with fragrant saffron, and layered with spiced, succulent pieces of lamb and slow cooked to perfection.
Animal biryani.
Chalo, I'll give it to you. It's mutton biryani.
Okay. Huh. Oh, okay, like that.
Yeah. Well done. Next one. Flat bread stuffed with spiced mashed potatoes and pan-fried with clarified butter, served usually with a spicy vegetable pickle and yogurt.
Oh, yum. Aloo ke parathe.
Arey wah! You are a foodie.
Of course.
Okay, now moving to the next question where I'm going to name a few traditional dishes which are Indian and you're going to give me 3 ingredients from each dish. It's very easy, okay? Palak paneer.
Palak, paneer, and like what do I have to give? Like jeera, like that I have to give.
Done.
What is the third?
Palak paneer
Oh,
jeera.
like that.
Next one, upma.
Oh, upma, I'm an expert. I make also upma. Rava, chana dal, this thing, rai.
Bas,
Oh
teen.
yeah, 3.
Dal tadka.
Masoor dal, makhan, and
Yeah, your tadkas with makhan. And third thing, come on, anything.
what else you'll need? That's all.
Salt?
We put tomato
Salt,
cut.
no?
Haan, salt. Haan.
Okay, you did very well, I have to say. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You truly do know the traditional tastes of India. Very well, in fact. And because you're such a foodie, here's a foodie hamper. So you can enjoy your favorite dishes anytime you want.
And I make
Khayali
real
or
pulao.
otherwise.
Real ones.
Yes. So this one is for you.
Thank you.
So, time has huge wings and they also flutter very fast. We've come close to our final segment and we didn't even realize this. So much fun with her. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show only on the Times Network.
Iron Man, maybe
Iron
Ola movie.
Iron Man is a good choice. Iron Man is a good choice because by default you'd kind of be meeting Robert Downey Jr., right? It's really been a fun-filled night, a splendid time, and our final segment on today's episode. Welcome back to Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show with me, Mandira Bedi, and the very charming and fun Ada. Ada, you know, it's been great getting to know you, and I have so many more questions. But what we're going to do is we're going to spin this wheel. Things are going to get interesting. We have a little bit of a game here, and we have the Times Prime Wheel of Good Life. Spin this wheel to choose the category from here, and I'm going to ask you some questions from it, and you quickly answer whatever comes to the top of your head from that category, all right? So spin the wheel, and let's go. Entertainment. So your questions for entertainment are, what entertains you the most? Music, movies, reading, or all?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Yes.
And I would add one more.
Magic and martial arts.
Oh, three more then. Magic, martial arts, and animals.
Animals.
Yes, okay. So all of the above plus
Yes,
plus.
yes, lots.
All right, second question. Which fictional character would be the most exciting to meet in real life, in your opinion?
Iron Man, maybe
Man.
Ola movie.
Iron Man is a good choice. Iron Man is a good choice because by default you'd kind of be meeting Robert Downey Jr., right?
Wow, okay, I didn't think of that.
Okay, who's your celebrity crush? Third question.
My first celebrity crush, I think, was Leonardo DiCaprio when I saw Titanic.
And currently?
I'm thinking, no, I don't think there's any crush happening right now. Pandemic, no, we don't keep crushes also.
Gosh,
yeah.
the pandemic has really changed you,
Pandemic
girl.
is really,
Thank you very much. That was fun. Thank you for playing with us.
Thank
there were just
you.
3 questions
Oh, wow.
on this
Okay.
one. And here's a little token of thanks from Times Prime,
you
a
so
curated lifestyle membership that gives you 15 plus premium subscriptions and hand-picked offers all in one membership. Wow. So if it's, no matter what you love, if it's shopping, entertainment, fitness, Times Prime is the only membership that you will ever need. Just be yourself. Let people see the real, imperfect, flawed, quirky, weird, beautiful, magical person that you are. In short, that's how Ada can be defined. I've done lots of shows, but this one was unique. It was fun. It was special. It was different. It was upbeat. I hope you also had a nice
I
time.
had a really good time. Thank you. You're really fun to hang with.
Thank you, and thank you so much for gracing the show with your presence. Here's a small token of thanks in the form of a lovely gift from our friends from Confluence.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We hope you like it. And before we say goodbye, it's time to take a selfie with the Oppo F17 Pro, the sleekest phone of 2020. Its dual lens bokeh gives an amazing bokeh effect to pictures, so you can take the perfect selfie portrait even with friends now. So, Ada, are you ready to flaunt?
I am.
We are signing off tonight, but our next episode is just 7 days away. See you next week with another episode of Oppo F17 Pro presents the Love, Laugh, Live show only on the Times Network. This is me, Mandira Bedi, saying goodbye, good night.